All right, guys, welcome to this update on the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. I will check the sound in a second and we will start. As usual, it's pretty short, but I hope that it is still useful because in such a yeah, I hear the sound is fine. In such a format, we cover most of the important points, particularly from the standpoint of technical analysis. Not yesterday, day before yesterday, we were looking at the test of the top of this channel and also the test after the rejection from this area, the test of that zone, this green zone. And we were considering that if we are going up, still going up, then we probably hold the bottom of the zone and break this channel to the upside. That is a bullish scenario. And yes, we had higher lows, higher highs consecutively. So here, and now we have another one. So that is the situation when we see that this consolidation is actually looking kind of bullish. So it is not simple consolidation, but accumulation. If it is an accumulation, then it is likely that it will continue to go higher to the zone of the previous consolidation, somewhere around 26, 27, $5,000. Maybe 28.5 if we just be very, very strict. So currently though, what we're seeing is that after the breakout, we saw the drop from more than $24,000 back to this zone. So there is a test pretty much the same as we had this drop from this test of the upper part of this channel to the bottom of the zone. The same way we have the drop after the breakout, we have the drop to the top of this channel. And this is a very important point. The same way as here, if we hold and see the continuation of the bull trend, then the likelihood that it is a much longer bull trend. Still here, if we are holding this area, if this resistance becomes support, then we can expect something like this. Of course, we may see the false breakout and then back to normal. Another option, another possibility is that this whole thing is a false breakout. And after we test this resistance, well, now support for a while, then we see the breakout to the downside and then test this zone again and so on and so forth, maybe down to the new bottom, new low. So again, trading wise, we shall take a look at this particular situation and decide what shall we do. Shall we expect that we are going to make a trade long ways to the long on the retest and save stop, set a stop like this, or if we see the breakout to the downside, then we can make a short trade. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. What I'm thinking is that currently this whole situation looks relatively bullish still. So on the daily time frame, that is not yet reached the overbought situation, overbought condition. We are still have a way to go. And also in terms of the altcoins which are following BTC, they are showing even better performance, like Ether or many others, and they are still having room to go to the upside. The only one thing which is kind of bothering me, but at the same time you can treat it as a bullish thing either. So here you can see that the highs are going up, the highs are going down, and here is going down, meaning that this is this is the bearish divergence. In fact, after this high, we saw the drop, but that means that this divergence may already play out, right? And after it played out, we actually see the lowering lows, and at the same time, if we consider lows, they are still not so much diverged. So we need to, well, actually let me take it back. So if we look at this low, right, this low is going up, this low is going down. We have a little bit bothering low in between, but well, who cares? Probably it's still okay. So meaning that we might have this correction over, and then from somewhere here or here we can continue to go along the same trend as before. Moreover, let's take the Fibonacci retracement instrument and this tool, and that drop is 23.6 Fibonacci, so it's perfect for the correction, short-term correction, and then continuing to go to the upside. Pretty much the same with BTC and other altcoins, other coins. BTC is not an altcoin, right? So again, I think that it looks more bullish than bearish, and the whole structure of this consolidation is supporting that idea, I believe. So as you can see, this thing played out. Of course, you know about the news for that Tesla sells 75% of its Bitcoin, and everybody is kind of going crazy. Oh, we are going to die. Tesla doesn't believe into BTC and they are selling, so therefore price goes down. Well, they have been selling for a while, and that might be the reason that the price going down. In fact, partially. But now it's over. Now there's not so many sellers, at least locally. But there's a lot of short orders, short positions here, and even higher. So I think that this is the fuel for the price going up, and that is where we can expect it soon. Again, just my personal opinion, not financial advice. I don't think that you should follow that as a trade or something, but I believe so. Then eventually we'll continue to go down, but that is not now, not tomorrow. Okay, guys, I think that is pretty much it for today's update. I see the comment from Tuxedo. It's good, can hear you. I'm happy that you hear me, sir. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you all you guys that are still watching. Please leave likes, leave comments, so more people can see that video because of the YouTube algorithms, and we will continue being in the crypto market, and I will try to share with you everything what I know, and maybe it is hopefully useful. All right, guys, that is it for today. See you probably tomorrow with another short update, and safe trading. Goodbye.